Please subscribe to the Eyes of Owen.
Owen, I love you too much. Huh? I love you long time. You will forget me.
So this is the direction I've just come. Pullman Hotel's just around the corner, and if you head straight ahead is the central shopping centre. So that's where I'm going to head. Get some food, get out of this heat, chill for an hour or so, and by then maybe a few of the bars will be open, might have a beer or two, and I think what I'll do is head back, change of clothes, and then come out tonight and just get myself a taxi back. It's alright at this end, there's loads of taxis, but last night at my end there wasn't any. I know we could have Grab and Bolt, but I don't know how to use it. Just get the lady in the hotel to do it for me now. Right, I've just got myself just a KFC burger and some fries and a Pepsi in Central. Nice and cool in there, and what a blast when you come out here. It's torturous, but I want to make a point. I just went to the toilet in there, and the cleanliness in the toilets was absolutely fantastic. And sat down, toilet rolls in place, no broken seats, no graffiti on the doors or the walls, a little litter bin, everything spotless. And it puts the little louts and dickheads in our country to shame, who draw on the walls in the toilets, stub cigarette ends, burn it and everything. I can't put into words why people in the West do things like that. They're just uneducated, immature, cultureless people. I thought I'd just say that because it just struck me, you know, nice and tidy and clean. When you go in England, even in Asda's and Tesco's, the toilet roll always broken, or the latch on the door's bent, or the toilet seat's snapped. Do you know what I mean? So this is where I'm heading, up there to the Pullman. Nice little walk, 10-minute walk from the shopping centre Central, and it's coming up to beer time. I fancy just sitting in a nice bar, putting my feet up, and just having a few beers. And just relaxing. I've done my filming for today. Mission accomplished. I'll still film if anything comes up. Maybe have a chat to a girl or something like that, ask her a few questions. Let's see what happens. And then I'll get myself home to my room, chill. The thought of all the videos I've filmed over these past 3 weeks that need editing is frightening. It's absolutely daunting to think how long's that going to take me. So on the left is the old fire station. Guy just relaxing in the park. I don't know if it's a gentleman of the road, shall we say? I don't know. They don't really stop for you. You've got to find a gap like this, shut your eyes, think of England. Could I live in Khon Kaen? No. Pleasant enough, but not enough to do. Not in this is a centre. I don't know if anything's outlying a little bit, I don't know. But if this is a main area, no. I think you'd soon get bored. Time for a quick beer in Khon Kaen. It's 1 o'clock in the afternoon, but it's sweltering hot and it'd be rude not to. Just gonna have a few. So this is a little side shoot I was on about earlier. Just have a walk down and then I'm gonna nip back to my loom. This is 6 Leos later. Met a guy called Dave from Scotland, from Aberdeen. He was alright. I'll meet up with him tonight. So there's 1, 2, 3 bars here, 4 bars, which weren't here last time. So that looks a bit more promising. In fact, it looks a lot better than when I was here last time. It's another Chang bar. Pomodoro. Yeah, looking alright. But I've got to get home and get these trainers off, they're killing my feet. Keep walking, not with these feet. So there you've got a bit of an idea of the offshoot, which is next to the Pullman Hotel. Right, taxi time. 20 metres later, I've changed my mind about taxi time. I'm going to get some food down at this bar. I think it's called Sky Bar, just at the end of here, because I'm very hungry. And then it'll settle on my stomach and come out later on. Looking forward to coming out tonight. Now, it was only 2 days ago when I said I'm never ever gonna go drinking the night before I go travelling. I'm gonna do it again, aren't I? But at least this time it's only an hour on a bus. I think I might be able to cope with that. Let's see what happens. And I've no real time restrictions. I haven't got to catch a flight or whatever. I can hang about a bit. So, still a beautiful afternoon in Khon Kaen. And I'll get a bit of food in this restaurant here. Probably have another Leo. 240 baht for my drink. Leo over ice. So that's cheap as chips, really, isn't it? And then I've got to get a taxi, which back to my hotel was about 47 baht last time I came here. Just over £1. Woohoo! Scorchio! I didn't film the guy I was chatting to because he's a criminal on the run and he doesn't want anybody to identify him. He isn't really. Well, he might be, but I never bother getting my camera out. I don't film everything. He's just a normal guy. What a beautiful Thai girlfriend he's got though. He was 54 and I think she was 32. Small, slim, and he's been going out with her for a couple of years. Yeah, nice. Lucky guy, lucky guy. So in the blue bar, I've ordered pad de pao mu, Khon Kaen, and a Leo. I've eaten here before, it was nice. 165 baht for the meal. I don't know how much the Leo is, maybe 60, 70. And there's a few people in, but filming too much. Nice aircon. So I don't know if you can see, it's a bit dark in here. That's my pad de pao guy. Looks alright, smells nice. I've asked them not to make it too spicy, so we'll have a see what it's like. That's where I went, in Blues Bar, for my pad de pao guy and the Leo. 175 baht. It was nice, not too spicy. It's alright. 8 out of 10. Now I've got to find a taxi. I'll just hang about on this corner, see if I can flag one down. But that's what I'll try. To get a taxi. Oh, there's one down here, I think. Right, there's a taxi there on the left. I don't know if there's anybody in it. I can only ask. Show them where I'm going, and it should be no more than 60 baht. What a beautiful day in Khon Kaen. We're so lucky over here to have this hot weather every day. In England, it's garbage, isn't it? Hot for one day, cold, hot, rain. Hot for 2 days, everybody starts panicking. Hosepipe ban. But over here, there's nothing like that. Is there a taxi man in this taxi? Sorry, cab. Now then, where are we? This new sober Owen, it's getting a bit worrying. Alright, I've got a beer, only a little can of Leo, but I'm back in my room and it's only 11:30 in Khon Kaen. I've been out during the day and had a few beers this afternoon, came back, had a shower and went back out. I've had about 4 beers. Bought a lady a drink, she was nice, and then I've come home. But what a kerfuffle trying to get a taxi here. It's alright when I'm going out from the hotel because they'll call one, but when I was in Khon Kaen near the centre, I thought I'll just walk to Endert Road and flag a taxi down. Not a taxi to be seen anywhere. Waited about 10-15 minutes. I know I could have been sat in a bar and got one of the girls to get one, but anyway, I got chatting to a guy on the corner who had like a beer shop selling crates of Singer and Leo. What a nice guy. Spoke good English, and he ordered me a taxi. And it took 15 minutes to come. I had a nice chat with him, and what a nice guy the taxi driver was. And what I've noticed, when you get in the taxi, they all put the meter on straight away, 40 baht, and the fare was 47 baht, but then they had 20 on, which they've all done. That must be some sort of rule, but I give them 100. A nice guy brought me home, because this hotel's in like it's a bit remote. I was a bit fed up when I booked it, but it's been an adventure. I've enjoyed it. It's been a good hotel. Nice people, very nice people. And I was in a bar in Khon Kaen, I forget the name of the bar, and I was talking to a guy from Accrington, which is near where I live, 20 odd miles away, and it's called Stefan. His father was Ukrainian. Now he lives out here, and I had a great chat with him. He was telling me how to get a visa, and never mind this 800,000 baht and all that, you can do it other ways. And he's been out here 5 years. He's got himself, he's 68. He's got himself a pretty girlfriend, 45. Showed me a picture. She's got a little restaurant, and he was telling me, get yourself over here, sack that England off. So I don't know. I want to do it, but I don't want this to take hold of me and get carried away, drinking night after night. That's what's frightening me, stopping me from doing it. So I've come home early as well because I'll be travelling to Udon tomorrow, and I don't want to feel rough on that bus. So that's one of the reasons as well. Excuse me. A few years ago, I'd have had a chick in that bed. Right, I'm going to turn this off now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to edit a video for about an hour. The video will be from Bangkok to Pattaya. So yeah, that's it. So let's do another little video for my members. I've got a lot of footage from Pattaya to put up. I just can't, there's too much to edit. I just can't do it. I can't answer a lot of the comments as well. I try to do my members, but it's it was like 200 comments. I was behind with too much. So I've got a Leo, got some lights, and a little pandan custard bun, which I will eat before I go to bed. So, sorry about another boring video, but it's a bit of content. But yeah, Khon Kaen, recommended for a few days. Friendly people. I was a bit unsure at first when I first came out last night and went down near the hotel. But no, friendly, very helpful, and couldn't ask for more really. So, until whenever and wherever, over and out.
Why you won't make me do?